What is up, everybody? Today in this video, I am going to show you how to do a quick and dirty one-click background removal in Photoshop coming up after this. What's up, everybody? If you're new to my channel, my name is Nelson. I do photography and tech-based tips, tricks, and tutorials. I've got a lot of awesome videos coming up in the future, so if you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. All right, go ahead and fire up Photoshop. I am using the latest version of Creative Cloud. And then simply, guys, we're going to come up here, click File, click Open as Smart Object, select the file you would like to remove the background on. Once this loads up, come on over here to your Layers menu, right-click on the layer. We're going to rasterize the layer, and now you'll notice Quick Actions, Remove Background, and this is where the one-click magic happens. Click that, and bam, there goes your background. Now, this did a pretty darn good job on this photo. You may encounter some photos that need a little bit of additional cleanup, and of course, now we can take this object here, we can move it around, we can resize it, and we can import a background, do whatever you want with it. But in a nutshell, that's how you do that, guys. I hope you found that useful. If you did, do not hesitate to give me a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.